Good morning guys. Today is going to be our official day 1 here in Sapa. So kagabi lang kami dumating and of course we only had to sleep and then it's 8 a.m. now and later we are going to explore Sapa. By the way, this is the view of our room. Diyan yung may dumadaan na train. Mamaya papakita ko sa inyo yung na-capture nating video na may dumadaan na train. Hey guys, we're about to go, pero titignan muna natin. Ito yung view namin from the bedroom. Pero check muna natin kung mas maganda yung view kapag dito tayo sa pinakataas of this homestay. Kasi doon kami nakastay sa second floor. So ito guys yung roof deck. Yan, and from here, yan, mas kita yung view from there. Kaya lang talagang it's foggy today. Check natin may dumadaan ulit na train. I'll show you. Hey guys, so we're back outside and we are here again sa Sun Plaza. This is where we're going to ride the train going to Fansipan. So weather today is still cold guys. Akala ko kagabi lang kasi gabi na tapos umulan pa. Pero up until now malamig pa rin yung weather. Tapos we're just wearing shorts. So yung pupuntahan natin guys, yung Sun World Fansipan Legend. And we are not going to buy our ticket here kasi we were able to book it via Klook. So guys, ito na yung inside ng train. Ayun yung view. Trail na tinatahak natin ngayon. And then as you can see, nakikita yung yung mga other views. Yung mga terraces and everything. Plus, pati yung mga hotels dun sa city center. And finally here, Fansipan. So yung station na pinagbabaan natin, it's called Monghua. I'm not sure if I pronounced that correctly, but this is where Fansipan is. And so next after the train, ayan na nakalagay, way to cable car. So ang sasakyan naman natin is the cable car. May mga kabayo dun sa likod. We are here now guys, lining up for the cable car, pero looking outside, parang ang kapal ng fog. So, let's see kung may makikita tayo from the cable car. So, punuan pala to guys. Ang dami na. We're now off to the summit. And walang makita everywhere. So yun nandun kami kanina sa cable car. It's all fogs. Except dun sa yung medyo baba pa. At inabutan tayo ng malakas na ulan, guys. Actually, tumila na siya. So, lalong nag-fog. Wala tayong makita. Anyway, this is our third ride, the funicular. Nandito na tayo ngayon sa station. We're now here at the summit. Ayan. Fancy pan. But the weather is not giving right now. Puro lalong kumapal yung fog. But medyo may kita. Anyway. Kaya lang bumuhos na talaga yung ulan. Okay guys, nabasa na ako. So ayun lang ang pwede kong maipakita kasi wala kayong makikita. Just the fog. So sinakto ng ulan guys, tumigil na siya nung nakababa na kami. And here, before the cable car, meron din ditong mga souvenir store. Ayan. Meron din syempreng mga jacket, yung mga bubble jackets. Ayan. So guys, pababa na uli kami and we're now here at the cable car station. Kaya lang medyo ayaw gumana ng QR. Thank you.
These conditions increase the risk of accidents and falls.
May another souvenir store here guys after yung cable car up an exit. So they're selling ganun din, mga t-shirts, may mga jacket din and a lot of other stuff for pasalubong. So nakabalik na kami guys sa train and this is going back to Sapa Station. It's now 2 p.m. guys and we're back in Sapa Station. Dahil kagabi lang natin nakita tong Sapa Station Sun Plaza. Ito itsura niya pag umaga. Yeah. Tapos mag-post din ako ng picture ko from here. So this is Sapa Center during daytime. Totally nagtatransform siya paggabi kasi sobrang daming ilaw. Just like what I showed dun sa previous kong video. Guys, we're back in the hotel and I am going to cut this video right here, and this is just all about yung pagpunta namin dun sa Fancy Pan Legend. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe, and watch out for more of my video here in Vietnam, only here in Vlogcetera. Until the next one.
Cracky.